Cadets were set the challenge to design and create a bridge that can support a model airplane. Cadets were split up into their respective flights, Phantom and Buccaneer, with tutor flights being divided up between them. Each group was supplied with an MTA kit and had 1 hour to build their bridge. Let's see how they did.
Slightly broken. You sure you finished?
It's not excuse me, it's just
Go on, just try it, look like you get out. Just go for it, just go for it.
No, you're not allowed to hold them on.
Let's put your... Like I showed you. You fell off, look.
Still.
It's not wide enough in the middle, guys. Look at you at a disadvantage, that's why I let it slide. Right? But you let it get narrow. But on your behalf, these have got now supports in the middle. You didn't need supports. Where you've got supports.
Congratulations to Phantom Flight for successfully winning the challenge.
Okay, well, my name is Don Rhodes. I'm the chairman of the Civilian Committee. The function of the Civilian Committee, of course, is it's mandatory in the Corps to have a Civilian Committee. You can't have a squadron without one. And our main function is to support the squadron, not interfere with the military side, but to give the officer commanding support in staffing it, and most importantly of all, in the fundraising and the welfare of the squadron.